So now let's work around with grids and guides inside of Adobe InCopy. So to work with grids and guides, I'm going to go to File right here and I'm going to click on New. And once I do that, I'm going to go over here and let's say, for example, I'm just going to add in 200 point of width and I'm just going to press OK. So once I do that right here, you can see that there's the guide around the page. So if you just want to see the text box and don't want to see the guide, you can go to View right here and then you can go to Grids and Guides and click on Hide Guides right here. So once you click on Hide Guides, what you have is this. So you just have the guides and you don't have anything else right here. You just have the text box right over here. You can also have other grid options. For example, you can go to Grids and Guides and click on Show Baseline Grid right over here. And then you got a grid line that you can use as a baseline right over here. So let's say, for example, you want to work with a picture and you want to align everything out. So you can bring in something like this. With this picture right here, you can resize it, and then let's say, for example, you want to resize it to a particular 3 size grid just like this. So you can place it out right over here just like that. But usually we don't work with graphics in InCopy, but even if you want to, then this is the way that you can work around right over here. So another grid option is here. So you can go around and show the document grid as well, which is more of this in format. So this really helps you to work around and keep an alignment of, let's say, for example, different elements like pictures again. So you want to let's say, for example, align multiple pictures right here. So you can align it out like this. You can place out other picture as well. So I'm just going to go around into place and select another picture right here. So you can work around with this picture. Let's say, for example, you just want to leave out for spaces, then you can do that. So this is one of the feature that is not very much useful in InCopy because it is more like a text-based editing software, but you want to quickly place out some images just like that, then this is something that can be handy right over here. So that is how you can use the grids and guides option inside of Adobe InCopy. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.